Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Sarah Alia binti Muhammad Fairuz. My metric number is 30DLS20F1044. I'm from DLS 4B and my friends and I going to present about EDI system. And I'm going to start with the introduction. Electronic Data Interchange, or EDI, is the computer-to-computer exchange of business documents and information. Fundamentally, EDI is a method. It's a set of best practices, standards, processes, and technology that enables the free flow of information between different businesses, especially different business within a single supply chain. For example, a car manufacturer like BMW or Mercedes buys parts from a load of different companies such as tire or engine. It then needs to distribute manufactured cars to auto dealers, only some of which are under the direct control of BMW. Each of those purchase orders and invoices could be done manually, printing out orders, manually re-entering data, email or mailing invoice, or it could just be done electronically and automatically using EDI. However, to automatically exchange information between different companies, the different systems need to be able to understand each other. That means they need to use standardized formatting and compatible technology. EDI system is all of the components and processes required to deliver this electronic and automated outcome. Today, some of the biggest businesses in the world, including EDI pioneers like Walmart, Volkswagen, and Scania, harness EDI to deliver benefits like low operating costs, increased transaction security, faster streamlined communication, and removal of manual processes. Everything from retail through the healthcare and automotive industries have benefited from EDI, especially supply chain. And just a little bit of facts. EDI was first introduced to supply chains back in the 1960s when Ed Gilbert developed a form of electronic communication between shipment supply chains in the US Army. Although it took until the early 90s for EDI to find widespread supply chain integration, EDI system was a critical facilitator of early globalization. Rather than relying on slow postal services, EDI system enabled instant long-distance communication in an era before the internet. And that's all from me. I'm gonna pass this to my friend Siti Nur Azima. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Azima. Today I will talk about a system that used at the company where I intern at SPT Services. I will demonstrate how to use this system in the port terminal. This is for system that use for delivery empty container to warehouse for loading. First is SAP, PTOS, SLHMS, and SPWMS. SAP is System Application Programming. PTOS is Port Terminal Operating System. SLHMS is Solid Liquid Handling Management System. SPW is Solid Product Warehouse Management System. Okay, first delivery note. Not less than 48 hours, shipping agent, empty container declaration and release by custom. Next, move container to depot for inspection based on request by the liner. And then SPWMS ready for pick up empty container. Dekat sini antara PTOS and SPWMS ni, dia menggunakan sistem KTOS di mana dekat prime mover dia akan ada satu VMT. VMT is Vehicle Mounted Terminal. Nanti RFID tu dekat gate dia akan bagi signal dekat SPWMS. Okay, next. Request for container ID and picking date for any change only, not less than 8 hours. Next, container ID, size tab, box operator. And then truck ID and container ID. Next, truck with empty container ready, arrive dekat gate. And then design loading bay. Design loading bay. Next, PTOS dispatch truck VMT. Mounting container into trailer. Dekat sini, driver checks the VMT for instruction to take empty container to designated bay. And then truck ID, actual container ID and time truck for leaving SPJ. Dia akan keluar daripada gate. This is vessel particular. This is CATOS system. CATOS is computer automated terminal operating system. So from this, we know vessel ID, vessel owner, shipping lines, and we know ETA, ETD. ETA is estimate time arrival for vessel and others. So that's all.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zahira. My matrix number is 30DS20F1050. Understanding what EDI is. Before understanding what EDI is in the content of supply chain management, it's important to first answer the question, what is EDI? EDI is the exchange of data and business documents from one computer system to another. Standard formats must be used for specific items such as purchase order, acknowledgement, advance ship notice, and invoices, among others. EDI is useful for efficient and effective supply chain management because EDI can help reduce lead time, save documentation processing costs, eliminate procurement error, clarify inventory status information, and exchange strategic alliance throughout the supply chain. The conclusion is, the study concluded through the testing of hypothesis that electronic data interchange has a significant positive impact on purchasing. That implies that organizations get the satisfaction through the use of electronic data interchange, and this positively impact their purchasing at work. All through the testing of hypotheses, it was concluded that electronic data interchange has hastened the time constraint in the purchasing of goods. Example, it reduced the time used in the transferring of information between the trading partners when purchasing goods. In addition, electronic data interchange has enhanced purchasing of goods through this channel, more secure compared to other ways and methods of purchasing. It is now certain that electronic data interchange has become an indispensable tool in purchasing goods from an organization to another organization.